Did you know that keeping your blood vessels clean is one of the most effective ways to support heart health and overall well-being? In today's video, we'll uncover the best natural ways to improve your blood vessel health and reduce the risk of complications. Stay tuned to the end for actionable tips you can start using today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. The first step to cleaning your blood vessels is through your diet. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, which help reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol. Add plenty of leafy greens such as spinach and kale, as they are loaded with nitrates that improve blood flow. Are these already part of your diet? Let me know in the comments. Exercise isn't just for weight loss, it's a game changer for blood vessel health too. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling improve circulation and help clear out plaque buildup. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week. If you're committed to getting active, hit that subscribe button so we can keep you inspired. Smoking is one of the leading causes of blood vessel damage. If you're a smoker, consider quitting as soon as possible. Your blood vessels will thank you, as they'll start to recover and improve circulation almost immediately. What strategies have helped you quit smoking or support someone who has? Share your experiences below to inspire others. Drinking enough water is crucial for blood vessel health. Proper hydration helps your blood flow more easily and reduces the risk of clots. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if you struggle to keep up, try carrying a water bottle with you as a reminder. If you're committed to staying hydrated, give this video a thumbs up. Garlic is a natural blood thinner and can help lower blood pressure. It contains a compound called allicin that promotes healthy blood flow and reduces cholesterol levels. Consider adding fresh garlic to your meals for an easy boost. How do you like to use garlic in your cooking? Let us know in the comments. Chronic stress can damage your blood vessels over time. Techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or even a relaxing walk in nature can help reduce stress and improve your overall health. If you've found ways to manage stress effectively, share your tips with us in the comments. Sleep is your body's time to repair and regenerate, including your blood vessels. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Consider creating a bedtime routine to help you wind down. If you're a fan of health hacks like this, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Processed foods and added sugars can increase inflammation and lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. Instead, opt for whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. What's one processed food you're ready to cut out of your diet? Let us know and inspire others. Supplements like fish oil, CoQ10, and magnesium can support blood vessel health. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. What's your favorite supplement for a healthier lifestyle? Share it below. Last but not least, schedule regular checkups with your doctor. Monitoring your cholesterol, blood pressure, and overall health is key to preventing blood vessel damage. Prevention is always better than cure. Have you scheduled your next checkup? If not, make it a priority. And that's how you can clean your blood vessels naturally for a healthier life. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these health tips. See you in the next video.